If you learn one idea in personal finance, make it compound interest. It's the effect of earning returns on your returns again and again. Think of planting one tree that drops seeds for new trees. Next season, those new trees drop seeds too. At first, nothing looks dramatic. Then one day, it feels like a forest showed up. That's compounding. Here's the quick way to estimate how fast money can grow. It's called the Rule of 72. Divide 72 by your yearly return rate in percent. The answer is the rough number of years it takes your money to double. Example: at 7% per year, 72 divided by 7 is about 10. So your money doubles in about 10 years. It's a shortcut, not exact, and it works best when returns are in the mid-single digits to low double digits, and you reinvest so it compounds. You can also flip it. If you want to double in 9 years, 72 divided by 9 says you'd need about 8% per year. Let's make it real. Put $200 a month into a broad market index fund that averages around 7% a year over the long run. In 30 years, that can grow to about $244,000. You contributed $72,000. The growth did the rest. The gap between what you put in and what you end with is compounding doing the heavy lifting. Waiting is expensive. If you delay by 10 years, you don't just lose 10 years, you can lose a full doubling. Starting earlier with smaller amounts often beats starting later with bigger amounts, because time is the fuel that compounding burns. Compounding can hurt you too. High-interest debt is the same engine in reverse. Owe $1,000 at 25% and ignore it, and in 5 years it grows to about $3,052. Same math, wrong direction. That's why paying off double-digit interest is the best investment many people can make before investing elsewhere. So what should you do? Automate an amount you won't miss. If $200 is too much, start with $50. Habit beats heroics. Money you never see is money you never miss. Pick something simple and low cost so you keep more of the growth. A low-fee index fund is a clean starting point. Fees that look tiny, like 1% versus 0.1%, stack up over years and quietly drain results. Protect the flywheel with a small emergency buffer, so a flat tire or a surprise bill doesn't force you to sell investments or swipe a high-interest card. Even $500 to $1,000 helps. Aim for 1 to 3 months of expenses over time. Then be patient. Compounding is boring by design. The first years feel slow. The later years do most of the work. Your job is to keep the machine running long enough to see it. The one finance concept you can't skip is compound interest, because time, consistency, and low costs turn small decisions into big outcomes. Learn the Rule of 72. Start and keep going.